Welcome to Marshmallow and Mochi English Studio. We're so glad you're here in our studio today. Hello and welcome. I am Marshmallow. Today, we have a very special hour ahead of us. This is an immersion session. We have removed all distractions so you can focus entirely on the flow of the English language. Whether you are doing chores, driving, or just relaxing, let our voices surround you. Before we begin, please turn on the auto-translate subtitles in your native language. This allows your brain to link the sounds to the meaning without effort. Relax and let's enter the world of English together. Welcome to Marshmallow and Mochi Studio.
We are live. Hi everyone, I'm Mochi. One full hour of just us talking, Marshmallow. I am so excited. I've got my comfortable chair, my water, and I am ready to be everyone's English learning buddy for the whole hour. How are you feeling, Marshmallow?
I feel focused, Mochi. 1 hour is a beautiful amount of time. It allows the brain to stop translating and start feeling. Today, we are deep diving into the first bridge, the greeting, but we will go much deeper than any textbook.
Marshmallow, I have a question. Why is the first greeting so important? Can't I just say, hey, and move on?
You could, Mochi, but think of a greeting like a digital handshake. In that 1 second, the other person's brain is asking, is this person friendly? Are they respectful? Do they understand my culture? If you say nice to meet you with the wrong energy, the door might close before you even walk through it. This is because of a survival instinct in our brains. We are programmed to quickly decide if a new person is a threat or a friend. The first words you say are the most important data for that calculation.
Wow, that's a lot of pressure for just 4 words.
It's not pressure, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to build a bridge in 3 seconds. That's why we practice. Let's look at scenario A, a busy public space. In English, we value negative politeness. This means showing respect for someone's time and personal space. Mochi, imagine I am a stranger reading a very important book in a cafe. Try to talk to me.
Excuse me, Marshmallow? Hi, I'm Mochi. Nice to meet you. What are you reading? Is it good?
Wait, Mochi, I'm surprised. My heart is jumping. You jumped into my space too fast. My brain registered your approach as aggressive, even though your words were friendly.
Oh no, I was too loud, wasn't I?
It's not just the volume, it's the buffer. You need to acknowledge that I am busy first. This gives my brain a moment to switch from reading mode to listening mode. Try saying, I don't want to take much of your time. This simple phrase acts as a key to gently unlock the door to conversation.
Okay, let me try again. Excuse me, I am sorry to bother you, but I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Mochi. Nice to meet you.
Much better. Now I feel respected. I had time to put my book down and give you my full attention. Learners, let's practice these buffer phrases. Repeat after me.
I am sorry to bother you, but... I know you are busy, but... I just wanted to say hi.
Now, Mochi, let's talk about work. In an office, nice to meet you can be a bit too casual. We want to show authority and respect. We use the full form. It is a pleasure.
I noticed that. You never say it's when you're wearing your glasses and looking at papers, Marshmallow.
That's right. Short words or contractions are for friends. Full words are for respect. It shows you are taking the situation seriously. It tells the other person, this meeting is important to me, and so are you. Let's practice the professional way. Repeat after Mochi.
It is a pleasure to meet you. It is an honor to meet you. I have been looking forward to meeting you. Marshmallow, I heard some people say, nice to see you. Is that the same as nice to meet you?
This is a very important point for our 1-hour session. Meet is for the new folder in your brain. You only meet someone once, the very first time. If we met yesterday and I say nice to meet you today, you will be sad.
Yeah, I would think, did Marshmallow forget me already? Am I that forgettable?
Exactly. To show you remember someone, you must use see. It tells them, you have a folder in my brain. You are not a stranger. This is a sign of respect and connection. Let's practice the I remember you phrases. Repeat after me.
It's so good to see you again.
Great seeing you.
How have you been?
We are about halfway through our session. How is your brain feeling? This is a lot of information. Let's take a moment to just process. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Don't worry about memorizing. Just let the information wash over you. The goal is to feel comfortable, not perfect. Mochi, you always sound so happy. How do you do it?
It's my voice smile. Even if I'm a little tired, if I smile with my face, my voice sounds like sunshine. Everyone can hear a smile, right?
They can. When you smile, the shape of your mouth changes the sound. It becomes warmer, higher, and more inviting. It's a universal signal of friendliness that transcends language. Let's practice our smiling voices together. Repeat after Mochi.
Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure.
Now, let's go to a party. Nice to meet you is a bit boring here. It is correct, but it doesn't build a strong connection. We want to use color words, words like wonderful or lovely.
Marshmallow, I've heard so many amazing stories about you. It's so wonderful to finally meet you.
It's lovely to meet you too, Mochi. I'm so glad we are finally in the same room.
Wow, wonderful feels so much bigger than nice.
It is. It creates a stronger memory in the other person's brain because it has more emotional data. Think of nice as a black and white photo, while wonderful is a photo in full color. Let's practice being warm. Repeat after me.
It's so wonderful to finally meet you. It's lovely to meet you. I've heard so much about you. Wait, Marshmallow, I heard someone say, nice meeting you when they were leaving. Is that a mistake?
No, that is a secret pro tip. Nice to meet you is for the beginning. It talks about the future action of meeting. Nice meeting you is for the end. It talks about the past experience of the meeting.
So the ing means it's finished?
Exactly. It's a beautiful way to close the bridge, to summarize the nice time you just had. Let's practice the goodbye. Repeat after Mochi.
It was nice meeting you. It was a pleasure meeting you. I had a great time talking to you. Marshmallow, sometimes I get scared to speak English because I think I'll look silly.
Mochi, listen to me. Everyone feels that way. That fear is a normal part of learning. But remember, English is a tool, not a test. If you say hello with kindness, with a smile in your voice, people don't care about your grammar, they care about your heart. The goal is connection, not perfection. You are already doing a great job by being here for this whole hour. Let's finish with a big workout. We will repeat everything we learned. Don't think about the rules. Just copy Mochi's energy. Feel the rhythm of the language. This will build muscle memory. Repeat after Mochi.
Hi there, I'm Mochi. Nice to meet you. I am sorry to bother you, but I just wanted to say hello. It is a pleasure to meet you. Shall we start? It's so wonderful to finally meet you. It's so good to see you again. How have you been? It was nice meeting you today. Have a great day.
One hour. You have stayed in the English world for 60 minutes. This is a massive achievement for your brain. You have built new neural pathways. You should be very, very proud. We are honored to be your partners in this journey.
We did it! 1 hour! My hamster heart is so full. You guys are the best. I wish I could give everyone a high five.
If you enjoyed this immersion, please support our studio. Subscribe, hit the bell, and click the like button. It keeps our studio open for you.
And please leave a comment. We want to know where you are listening from. We read every single one.
Stay curious, stay kind, and keep listening. Thank you for visiting Marshmallow and Mochi Studio. Thank you so much. Goodbye for now.
Thank you so much. Goodbye for now.